Hello everybody, welcome to this video. I will show you how to fix Google Meet share screen sound problem. So let's fix this issue together. Open first your settings of your phone, open now your apps option, search for Google Meet, and right now open your Google Meet like that, like this. Come down to your permission option. Make sure that you enable camera and microphone. Go back then and click force stop and click OK, and what you have to do next, just restart your phone, and that's all. So don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and